RFID technology in late 1990s, radio frequency identifications, RFID. The technology became a key component in a development of IoT. RFID tags allow for identifications and tracking of object wirelessly. If you're talking about a car, then if I want to know the exact location of my car, or if I want to know the exact locations of the train, or if I want to know the exact locations of a plane or any other objects, we use RFID technologies. And this technology is built in many appliances or mobile phone where we can easily track the locations of the devices and know where exactly the devices are. Are you already seeing that example or in this picture that a car is there, a tag is there? So all RFID tag is present in the car. Antenna just track that uh, tag and they just got the locations of the particular car, and these locations response will send to the radar systems, and radar systems send the data to the computer, and in computer we get to know about the exact positions of the car. So RFID is one of the most frequently used technology in IoT.